Hopefully you have been following along with the videos, and so we got to this point with the last video. We have a working game pretty much, and now I'd like to move on to something else. I don't want to get into any debates about comments in code. The purpose for this moment is for someone who wants to learn to program. So hopefully we can try leveraging AI to sprinkle, not spinkle, plenty of comments in the code in order to help us understand it. What are comments? Well, they're not code. They don't do much. I'm being a bit loose here with they don't do much, okay, so don't come after me. For our purposes, it's just for us to read in order to understand the code. All right, so we're going to take the code, copy it, and then we're going to paste it in this blank text editor here, because this is what we're going to send to AI. So we're going to go to the bottom now, and we're going to enter some instructions. All right, hopefully you were following along reading as I was typing. So now we're going to select everything, copy it, and paste it. And by the way, so I'm going to say right now, for now, I'm going to dispense with going through all three different AI tools. I already established that you might want to do that. It's up to you. I'm going to stick with ChatGPT for now. So we're going to paste that, and let's see what kind of response we get. And we got the file. So now we're going to copy the, oh, it's still, okay, sorry, it's still generating. I think that's it. Now we copy, and we have opened meld here, right? So this is our code. This is our original code. We're going to paste it in here. And let's see. So, well, I really went to town on comments. I really went to town. But anyway, so you can see that this is page body styling, title styling. I don't think I meant that much comments, but that's fine. Input field styling. Okay, so this is all the styling comments, all right, that you can learn as you want. Now this is the actual UI element. So this is the instruction text, the user input field, the buttons, the feedback, the attempt counter, and this is the script. This is the actual code. So initialize, reset, and so on. But we don't have to go through the whole thing. My point is, you can slowly try to learn some programming of the code, right? Understand the code by reading these comments that were AI generated. Now, we are assuming they are correct. I wanted to move on to a more complex game, but first I thought let's introduce a way to maintain some sort of game history. For instance, last time you guessed in X moves, right? And then we can use this new concept for future work. All right, so that completes this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.